Here's Swami's verdict on the budget.
Well, the budget, I would say, has met expectations to the extent that it's a budget for continuity with some modest changes. It has, however, disappointed the markets because there is no roadmap for rolling back the tax cuts that took place, and there is no deadline for returning to the FRBM targets. For that reason, the markets really went down. There is no clear roadmap for several other things that we had hoped for. That is a disappointment. It's a big spending budget, much more for a large number of Aam Aadmi programs, which was, I think, to be expected. Some tax giveaways, the 10% income tax surcharge went, the fringe benefit tax went. On the other hand, the corporates would be disappointed with the fact that the minimum alternate tax has increased from 10% to 15%. There is a considerable emphasis in this budget on infrastructure spending, skill development, a certain number of modest schemes for minorities, for inclusive growth. Clearly, the substantial budget deficits which were laid out in the interim budget are being continued. There is no question of trying to change the fact that we are going to have a large fiscal deficit to try and produce a stimulus to spend our way out of the recession. So there has been no getting away from that, more or less no change on that. A very large fiscal deficit, a very large revenue deficit, no deadline as to when we will return. So on the whole, a budget that will disappoint the markets. On the broader scheme, I would say a budget mainly continuity, not very much change, somewhat timid, not a brave budget, but something which is intended to appeal to the Aam Aadmi on big spending programs.
Absolutely.